Hi, this is Swati, and in this video, we are going to see what is a sequence and a series and the difference between them. So basically, a sequence is basically an arrangement of numbers according to a specific rule. For example, if I consider a rule, write 3 and then add 5 successively. So here, my first number is 3, and then I need to add 5 successfully. So 3 plus 5 gives me 8. Again, I need to add 5. 8 plus 5 gives me 13. Again, I need to add 5. It gives me 18 and so on. So this arrangement is known as a sequence which follows a same rule throughout. So now here, each is known as a term of a sequence. Term of a sequence. So here I can see 3 is a term, 8 is a term, 13 is a term, and so on. Since 3 is the first number, this is my first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. And terms are denoted by T, N, or AN. N is basically the term of the nth term or the general term. Now coming to series, series is the sum of the term of the sequence. So when we add all the sequence and we add the given sequence, a series is formed. So basically series is T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on. All these are terms. And Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Sum of all the terms. Now we have series of some natural numbers. So sum of all the natural numbers is denoted by summation, and this is sum of all, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now, sum of the squares of the natural number denoted by sigma n square, where sigma is again sum of all the n square, which gives you this. And the cube of all the natural numbers is denoted as sigma n cube. So which is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but the square of the n natural numbers. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.